รายการต่อไปนี้เหมาะสำหรับผู้ชมที่มีอายุ 13 ปีขึ้นไป อาจมีภาพ เสียง หรือเนื้อหาที่ต้องใช้วิจารณญาณในการรับชม ผู้ชมที่มีอายุน้อยกว่า 13 ปีควรได้รับคำแนะนำ
สวัสดีค่ะ In this video, my groupmates and I will react to some commercials. Let's get started. Before we watch our groupmates' reactions, I would like to inform you that due to our hectic schedule, we were forced to film in our home.
Dati may kumakain ng Fita, kaso may nalimos na lola. So, hinatian niya. Diwata pala si lola.
I like how the commercial tried to show one of our beliefs the first.
Dahil busilak ang iyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sagot si
In
Kuya.
this, I like how the company tried to reenact their old commercial and incorporate them with a new and modern style, just like the title says, Balikan ng Sarap.
Sports car! Yulit! Half Fita, half kotse.
Balikan ng tamis alat sarap ng Fita.
I think the overall the commercial is an eye-catching to the buyers and can attract them to buy this product, Fita.
Dati may kumakain ng Fita, kaso may nalimos na lola. So, hinatian niya. Diwata pala si lola.
Dahil busilak ang iyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sagot si Kuya. Sports car! Yulit! Half Fita, half kotse.
Balikan ng tamis alat sarap ng Fita. Balikan ng sarap.
So I definitely think that the commercial launched by Fita was a humor appeal because it attempted to make its audience laugh by adding in some fantasies. What do you think, Luna? Do you listen to the commercial? Bye!
Based on our groupmates' reactions, we can conclude that the commercial used the propaganda technique humor appeal because they attempted to make the audience laugh by adding fantasies. Thank you for watching. Kapun ka.